Hi guys. I've been looking through my TikTok platform and there's been this Wosado lashes has been appearing on fake eyelashes has been appearing on my feed, and I was like wondering whether it's worth buying because I've tried a couple of applications for eyelashes, and I've tried mascara, which doesn't work for me because when you wear mascara it always smears and I have sweaty eyes, so I always have problem with it, and it always makes my eyes tearful, and when I have to remove it for my solat, my wudu, it's really very painful and messy process. And then so I tried to apply some falsies. I tried the falsies with the glue, and I didn't quite like it because the glue caused my eyes to, it would get into my eyes and irritate my eyes, so I ditched that. Then finally I tried the fixing the temporary eyelashes to my eyes, and I tried that one a few weeks ago, and once again the glue got into my eye and I didn't like it. I went to a salon and tried it out, and it's kind of pricey for the initial try. It's like 100 and something. Then if you wanted the second try, it's like 200, and it's like crazy. So I looked at the TikTok lashes that appeared on my feed. Was this magnetic eyelashes that apparently sticks to your eyes, like, it's a magnet. So I bought it, gave it a try. So here's how it looks. And what I find about these magnetic eyelashes is that in terms of if you're a beginner, you're gonna struggle, and if you don't know how to apply it, you don't know how to use it, you're gonna be gasping and you're gonna say, oh, it's not worth my money that I put in, because it costs like during the sale it costs like 90 ringgit per eyelash. So you have to know, number one, you have to know what you want to buy, because if you're a heavy makeup user, you need to get the thicker eyelashes, or the ones that's suitable for your eyes, what kind of length, blah blah blah. So you have to know exactly what lash you want. For me, I bought the iris black, I think, something like that, and I'll post it later to you guys. But I find that this lash that I'm using is kind of alright. I was struggling initially how to apply it to my lash, and I found that I was applying it wrongly. One, because I couldn't what I didn't know how to apply it. There was a blue dot, there's a white dot, and one's on top. Then how to clip it on the eye, because there's a magnetic sound clip when you actually do it right sometimes. And the first try was really horrendous. It was like, oh no, what another a whole lot of money down the drain all over again. So the thing about this Wosado lashes is that you need to know exactly which one suits your eyes. And I have wide set eyes, and I chose iris, I think it's iris black, this coat, because I'm wearing eyeliner. If I don't wear eyeliner, it looks horrible, it really looks fake. But since I'm wearing eyeliner, it looks better. If you can see, I mean, it looks slightly better. But to be honest, would I buy it again after the magnetic loses its magneticness? Yes, I would buy it again, because number one, it's easy to use. It's very easy to use once you get the hang of it. After you practice a couple of times, you figure out which way to go, and you don't you don't what you don't you don't accidentally break it. Then it's worth buying, it's worth using, and it's worth for it's worth using, especially if you have to go for events and you want to look dressed up and you want to look presentable for your kanduris or whatever, and you don't want the hassle of wearing mascara, because you don't have a finished look unless you have eyelashes. And it's not a big deal, it's not necessary if you don't want it, but if you want to have a, you know, especially when you're the bride or the mother of the bride, you would want to look kind of like presentable. So it could be a finishing touch that is like the icing on the cake for me, eyelashes, you know. So basically, yes, I would buy it. It was 95 ringgit. I bought it on Shopee, and it was like still Shopee Pay Later 3 times, so it's no big deal. So alhamdulillah. And I would buy it, and I would recommend you to buy it, but bear in mind you have to know the model that is suitable for your eye, because if you have mine is like, my eyes is like when it's kind of large and it is bulging out, you wouldn't want to get the center very long. So I did that mistake. I should have bought the middle, because over here it's like 11 millimeters, so it's too long in the middle. That's why I can't wear it without makeup. If I wear it without makeup, it looks horrible. So don't buy this if you want to go for the natural look. You need to buy the iris one for the heavy look, heavy makeup look. I mean, it doesn't look heavy here, but in actual fact, in real life, under normal lighting, it's quite heavy. So yeah, you would I do recommend buying it because it saves money, it's hassle free, and it's fun. It's fun. Putting on makeup is fun, but sometimes you have to know your limit. Shouldn't overspend. Anyway, hope you like it. Hope you like my video. Toodaloo. Assalamualaikum.